Hi everyone, today we are going to be planning Monday, September 12th. Nope, I skipped over an entire week in my planner. I was like, hold up, there's a problem here. All right, so what we are actually doing is planning Monday, September 5th through Sunday, September 11th. My goodness. All right, so I kind of pulled this kit from Chrissy and Designs. I forgot I had it, but I think it's gorgeous for this sort of Labor Day slash fall combo. I know it probably should be something a little bit more red, but this is close. This is close. Don't knock it. Let's see. I know I've got some Daily Duo things in here, and I'm just going to kind of get those out of the way. So let's go ahead and get started with these date covers. I hope that if you have today off from work, that you are spending it doing nothing. And I hope that if you don't have today off from work, that you get some sort of other time off from work. So that would be awesome, right? If we could all be off at the same time. I actually took a little bit of an extra day off, which I tend to do with my PTO from work. When there's a holiday, I just kind of add a day to the weekend. It's a great way to stretch out those PTO days throughout the year, because since I'm a newer employee at the company that I work at, I get like the minimum, which is like, it's not the worst, but it's also not the best. It's not what I'm used to, that's for sure. It is not what I'm used to. It's also Nathan's birthday week. My son is turning 20, my youngest child, and I'm doing okay. Oh my goodness. It's a whole thing when you're a parent and your child like crosses into like another milestone. I don't care what anyone says. Like, I know I'll probably feel this way next year when he's turning 21. Like, oh my God, another milestone, right? Anyway, maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just an extra sensitive parent. I'm not entirely sure. All right, let's get these date covers down. I'm loving these colors. Don't drag me in the comments. Yes, there's peach in here. Like I said, and I said this last week and multiple times before, I actually do like it when peach is combined with certain colors. Now, if you were to just give me a kit that only had peach, oh my God, these tweezers, no. Then I would probably be like, no, thank you. You know, just polite pass. You know, not for me, thank you. But yeah, this is definitely doable. So I posted, or I will have hoped, the order of my videos, you would have seen a daily plan with me by now that didn't have any stickers. I'm going through a thing again where I'm like, I love stickers, but it's getting to be a bit much. Not just with storing them, it's the whole purchasing them and then purchasing maybe too many, which I know is, you know, something I have to take personal responsibility for. I have been trying to do that since I joined the planner community. But it almost feels like I am just ready to not use stickers, which is just weird to say, because then I don't use stickers for like 2 weeks and I feel like, oh my God, I need stickers in my life. I just can't be pleased is what I'm trying to say. But I'm probably going to try to do some more non-sticker spreads. I don't know if it's possible in this planner. Like, you would think it is, right? Like if I could do it in a daily, but man, committing to it for a week is rough. Who does that? All right, we've got our date covers down and our washi at the bottom. All right, let's see. We've got some quote stickers in here and a weekend sticker. I do love these kits from Chrissy and Designs. I've got a couple orders coming from her and I'm so excited. I have ordered a couple of the latest $2 Tuesdays, but not like all of them. I'm trying to like chill out on buying every single thing she releases. Maybe I just want to put a floral thing here. I think so, and I'll do this one since it matches the washi over at the bottom. That will work. All right, I've got some script stickers that I definitely want to use as well for this. There's a this week sticker. I love this script right here that she uses for her stickers. That's really, really pretty. And I think we'll go with another floral situation here. And the reason why I do that is because sometimes I can find it difficult to write on these because it's hard to see. So if I can just use another sticker on top, then it's not quite as bad, if that makes sense. There we go. And then to sort of spruce this side up over here, I'm going to use this lined page here, and I'll probably put a picture of Nathan in here. That's probably what I'm going to do. Let's see if I can actually get this lined up. Man, these stickers are kicking my butt lately. And see, I'm trying to line it up with the line over here, but it's not exactly working out. That's going to be too high. Okay, bring it down one, because I want to make sure that it's centered properly. Okay, that might have to work. All right, now let's do these habit trackers. I'm still keeping up with my habit tracker in my monthly view. If you guys saw that video, I hope you did. I actually just updated it this morning. I was like, oh, let's stay on top of that. And I'm excited to see if I can keep up with it all month. Like, committing to a whole month habit tracker is rough. Like, I see folks in like the bullet journal community do it, and I'm like amazed every single time. Like, that is just a work of art. All right, there we go. And now I just have this little spot where I can put a couple of to-dos, because I don't really put a lot of those in my planner anyway. Let's start with some videos. I'm going to use the Uni Pen marker. It works a little bit thinner than the Chrissy and Design one, which I prefer, because then if I write on paper, it's a little bit closer to the actual pen that I'm using, whereas the CAD marker is a little bit more bold, or I have smushed it down because I write like an animal and I don't know how to be gentle with my pens. I just don't know how. All right, so we have got Monday's video is this one, so we're going to do a weekly plan with me. And then Wednesday is going to be a daily plan with me. And I'm honestly not sure what Friday's gonna be. Like, I want it to be a review video, but you know what? It's going to be a review video. That's what we're gonna do, a review video. And I wanna use the color that matches that day, so that's also going to be blue, just like Wednesdays. I do have a couple planners that I'm just a little bit behind on getting to, and I can appreciate that some of the brands that I have worked with don't give me like deadlines, because me and deadlines outside of work deadlines are just not, we're not friends right now. It's kind of tough to do work deadlines and then the side hustle deadlines. That's a lot of deadlines, I'm just saying. All right, here we go. We're gonna do this one on the 8:30 line. All right, and then any big work things. There's like one thing that I can't share on here, and that's gonna have to be fine. But on Thursday, we actually have a company barbecue. We actually had to cancel it a few weeks back because there was like COVID like running through my workplace, and we were like, no gathering. And this was like 2 months ago. So we were like, we haven't had any cases for over 2 months. And I'm like, thank God. We can now have this barbecue. And I'm just gonna pair one of the Steves with it since I left some extra space there. Totally intentional. All right, and then the other thing that I don't want to forget about is that on Saturday I actually have my hair appointment, and I think I'm going to use the floral box for that. I was actually hoping to get that scheduled a little closer to the beginning of October, like later September, early October, because I have a trip early in October, but this is going to have to be as close as possible. That's like as soon as she could get me in around that time frame, so that will have to work. Kind of can't see the hair appointment there, but that'll have to work. Maybe I should have just used a smaller label, but this accurately depicts the amount of time that it's going to take to do my hair, so that works. Okay, so since I am not working on Monday, I'm gonna use the sleep in sticker. I don't really see a day off, maybe, no? Okay, we'll just do sleep in, and then I'm gonna add this yay sticker to my hair appointment. That'll like fill that little spot up. All right, let's use, do we wanna use something floral? Do we wanna use something solid? Who knows? All right, that's gonna have to work. Okay, meetings. Let's see, Tuesday at 10 o'clock I have a meeting. And then it looks like we're pretty meeting light this week, which is a miracle because I don't appear to have another meeting until Thursday at 10:30, and I probably won't even be able to stay for that entire meeting just because I need to help get things ready for our barbecue, which I'm super excited about. Anytime we can do like an employee appreciation thing, I'm excited about. And then on Tuesday, I'm also gonna put a payroll due sticker simply because that is eating up my life on, usually it's on Mondays, but because of the holiday, that's when I have to do it. And it is my least favorite thing to do right now at my job. So I'm actually gonna match it up with this super grouchy Steve because it's like literally my face during payroll. Like, I'm just gonna say, like if you are in a supervisory role and you don't make sure that your employees' time cards are correct, because that's kind of part of your job, then you're kind of a jerk. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, that should be part of making sure that employees are taken care of. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. All right, I think I'm actually gonna put the Good Morning Sunshine sticker over on, where do we wanna put that? Thursday morning? Thursday morning is also payday, so I do have to put that as well. And let's just use, I know I've got another skinny label here. All right, and then Wednesday I want to get done our laundry. So I'm gonna do the laundry basket. We're gonna do a whole bunch of layering here. The get it done, a laundry basket, and what else can we pair it with? I think that's gonna be it for now, but we'll use, maybe I don't need the get it done part of this sticker, we'll see. I've got like way too many stickers on my hand. Maybe I don't have a place to put this just yet. We'll just put it on my hand. That's where it's gonna have to go. So I'm gonna stop here and then put these full boxes down because I think I wanna make sure that I have enough spot for the like little extra things that I wanna put down. So there's that, and then I'm gonna throw in kind of like the idea of the quotes being like every other day kind of thing. I don't know, I put way too much thought into this sometimes, but I need my planners to be like aesthetically pleasing, you know? All right, let's go with this one right here. Still gotta put down a dinner area, so we've still got plenty of space. All right, and then Thursday, we'll do this quote right here because there's still space for that, I think. Maybe, no? We could move up the barbecue thing just a little bit because I really want this to be in a certain spot. Much better, okay. And then for Friday, I'm kind of gonna leave that open because that is Nathan's birthday. Yep, we'll do that. All right, so Friday will stay blank because I wanna leave stuff for, you know, leave space for what we're gonna do for him. Those are the words that were trying to come out of my mouth that were just not, just wasn't happening. All right. And then this floral box right in the middle here, sort of in the middle here, not entirely sure. All right, let's get that out of the way. Saturday morning, I'm probably not going to do much in the morning simply because I have to get up and be ready for my hair, but that will be a good spot for meal planning. I really love these outlined labels. They are so cute and I don't use them enough, but this sheet in general is my favorite. And I think that's a reformatted sheet that wasn't available before this past year, and it's awesome. All right, so you got meal plan, hair appointment, and then I definitely want to use a planner time sticker. I'm not really going to use it with anything. I'm actually going to cut that because it is a little bit wider than what I need it to be. If this was for my daily, that would have been just fine. But we're just gonna cut it down so that it's stacked, which I think is gonna look really cute. And then I think I'm gonna do the same thing for the family time sticker here on Friday because I know that we're going out to dinner. Just don't know exactly where. I have an idea where, but we'll share after because we're going to be celebrating Nathan's birthday, and I want all the things to be surprises. Not that my 20-year-old son is like stalking my YouTube channel, but while I am filming this, he's literally on the other side of this wall and can hear everything that I'm saying. So we're just going to throw on some of the flowers. That is very pretty. I don't think I have another full box to fill this day. Actually, I do. There was this one right here. Forgot all about it. Put this here. I do need a spot for trash day. So I'm going to bring this a little bit further down. There we go. And then the little icon for the trash. And then I kind of want to figure out a way to put Nathan's birthday in here. I was gonna put it here, but maybe I can put a box on top of this. That might be cute. Let's see if this will look good layered on top of this box. It might very well look okay. I don't think that's too bad. It's not perfectly centered, but we're just gonna have to deal with that. That's what I was sitting here like, this is not exactly working out exactly how I wanted it, but it actually looks very nice. One thing I'm forgetting about on Saturday, of course, is grocery shopping. Definitely got to get that done. And I said that I was going to leave room for meals, and that clearly has not happened. It's going to be just fine. And then, of course, on Sunday evening, we cannot forget about House of the Dragon. I'm loving it so much. You guys will have to let me know if you're watching it, but yeah, we really like it. And I'll typically watch the previous episode like twice, like once throughout the week and then again on Sunday before the next episode, because that's just how I am. But I'm really loving that anything Game of Thrones related is back. All right, that's how that looks. Oh my gosh, like all the stuff is happening over here, and I still didn't use this sticker. So that's totally fine. But that is how this week is looking. I hope that you guys enjoyed spending some time with me as I planned out my week. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.